Commercial flights have begun operations at Danbaba Suntai Airport Jalingo, 7 months after the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority shut down its operation for non-compliance with its safety rules. Governor Agbu Kefas took up the rehabilitation and upgrade of the airport facilities after engaging stakeholders in the sector in order to meet up with the rules set by aviation authorities. Correspondent Owolabi Adenusi filed in this report.
The residents of Taraba State no longer have to travel to neighboring Adamawa State to board flight as commercial flights have resumed operations in Jalingo. The Kefas administration met the airport closed when it came on board, but has been able to meet some conditions for its reopening, and others will be done in phases.
When His Excellency Dr. Agbu Kefas took over the mantle of the leadership of the state, he took it upon himself, and all those gaps were covered.
The airport management spoke on the rehabilitation project and the efforts of the state government to keep the safety rules.
As it is now, a result of that work that has been done by the consultant in conjunction with the Nigeria Civil Aviation, we're able to resume the flight operations.
We're here to ensure that this airport is up to international standards and is in line with, of course, ICAO and NCAA standards.
Passengers expressed joy over the reopening of the Jalingo Airport, which has put an end to the 3-hour journey to Yola, Adamawa State capital.
There are changes. There are changes because I remember the last time I flew the airline from the landing. While I was on plane, I could see the runway. There were no marks to show truly that there had been activities of airline on ground.
The residents of the state shared their views on the reopening of the airport, which they believe will boost the state's economy.
I like the opening of the airport. I really like it, and it's very good because many of the investors will come into Taraba.
The Nigerian Air Force personnel have also visited the airport for inspection after Governor Kefas visited their headquarters in Abuja to partner the force to provide security in Taraba State. Some areas affected that led to the rehabilitation of the airport facilities and extension of the runway. Others include training and retraining of personnel, installation of screening machines at the departure hall, and the installation of lights to enable the landing and takeoff of aircrafts at night.